guys, today we'll be making an adorable bubble ruffle Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, 6-inch silver deco mesh, and scissors. So I also have adorable little mini ornaments and Chanel stems. All right, let's get started. All right, so to start off this wreath, I am just going to unroll my mesh. You can definitely layer the mesh if you choose to do so. I do that sometimes. It just depends on what you prefer. But I'm going to pull the mesh through my first inner space, tie it in a knot, and pull it just like that to make it nice and tight. Now I'm going to pull and pull my mesh through the first space to make a nice poof. Through the second space and the third space, and I'm going to try to keep my poofs as uniform as possible. If they're not the exact same, that's okay, and you can make them as large or as small as you prefer. So I'm going to scrunch, twist it a couple of times, and start back on the next inner space. And I usually prefer to go with 2 rows of mesh. So I prefer to go with 2 rows of poofs because I feel like that makes a pretty decent sized wreath. Just like that. But if you prefer, you can also scrunch it and add in 3 rows. So it's personal preference. But this is just a really quick and easy, a simple poofy wreath. If you decide to layer, you can definitely layer with 2 different colors, or you can layer with the same color. So this is what it's looking like so far. I'm just going to continue going all the way around the wreath. Okay, so when you come to the end, I'm just going to kind of twist the mesh a few times. Twist the mesh a few times, just like this. And I'm going to tuck it on the inside, like on the inner ring, and tie it in a knot. So you could definitely finish off your wreath like this. It's so cute and precious. I see it as like a blank canvas. You can add any additional embellishments you'd like. You can add ribbons, bows, ornaments, an adorable sign to the center, presents, whatever you prefer. So I actually decided that I'm going to add some adorable little ornaments to my wreath. So I'm just going to thread my stem through the 2 ornaments, just like that. And if you prefer, you can use floral wire. I just thought the red stem is so cute and precious and just adds a little extra decor to the wreath. You can even just hot glue it to your mesh. The possibilities are endless. But I try not to hot glue the ornaments just because I think it's so cute when they move around. But you can definitely do so. I'm going to place all of my ornaments just to make sure I like where they are. And I like to do this before I attach anything, just to make sure. I think that's so cute and precious. It looks like ornaments, but it kind of also looks like little cherries, which is so cute. So I can attach it all the way to my wreath ring. if I choose to do so, just like so, and twist it. Just like that. I think I'm going to attach it to the wreath ring. Another option is you can attach it to your mesh, kind of loop it through your mesh like that. But I think it's going to look so cute and precious attached to the ring. So I'm going to attach it all the way around my wreath. And you do not have to do this portion if you choose not to do so. If you want just the ruffle wreath, that is so cute and adorable. I do that sometimes, so it just depends on how you're feeling. So just have fun with it and make it your own. And if you want the bulbs to move a little more, just loosen your stem. Don't tighten it so much to the wreath, so it moves around a little more. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Again, you can have fun with it. You can use huge ornaments if you choose to do so. Whatever you prefer. And you are all done. So cute, precious, and simple to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer.